Hey guys, let's take a look at IELTS reading multiple choice method. Okay, so this is what multiple choice looks like on test day. It's pretty straightforward. You can see you have a passage of text over here, and you have a sort of classic multiple choice looking question here with A, B, C, or D. Okay, let me give you some tips. So the questions come in order. That is, the answer to question 1 will be located higher in the text than question 2. If you're taking the computer delivered test, you'll just select the option. It'll be like a little radio button. You just click the option. Very straightforward. And for the paper delivered test, you'll write A, B, C, or D onto your answer sheet next to the number. So, for example, if the first question, number 1, is the multiple choice, you'll write 1A or 1B or 1C, whatever. Okay, let's take a look at the method and do some practice. So the method is like this. You want to check the instructions. You want to read the questions and identify keywords. You want to scan the text for the relevant section, read carefully, and then choose the answer. So let's check the instructions. It says questions 1 to 2. Choose the best answer from the options in each question. Straightforward. So now we're going to read the questions and we're going to identify keywords. It is becoming increasingly common to use bamboo to replace. What's a good keyword here? Well, increasingly common, bamboo, and replace. Then what we're going to do is scan the text for the relevant section that will include either the exact same words or synonyms or paraphrases of those words. So we have bamboo and we have gaining popularity. In other words, increasingly common. And then we have an alternative for the word replace. So we know where to read now. So we're going to read carefully. It says bamboo is light and tough and is widely used as a natural functional material throughout Asia and increasingly in the West. It is gaining popularity as an alternative to wood flooring, has long been popular for furniture, and is increasingly being used as a fabric for bedding and clothing. Blah, 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 blah. Let's take a look at this now. So now we need to choose the answer. It is becoming increasingly common to use bamboo to replace what? Okay, the answer there is wooden floorboards. The answer is because here it says it's gaining popularity as an alternative to wood flooring. This basically says the same thing as that, okay? And although it does mention chopping boards and clothes and vegetables, they're not the correct answer. They were wrong. They are not being replaced by bamboo. Okay, let's recap that method. Check the instructions. Read the questions, identify keywords. Scan the text for the relevant section. Read carefully, then choose the answer. Your turn. Here we go. I want you to do number 2, please. You have 90 seconds. Okay, number 2 says, one of the reasons why bamboo remains standing is because it is lightweight and flexible, it accesses lots of sunlight, its outer core is strong, it has dense, thick fibers. Okay, here's the answer. The answer is D. One of the reasons why bamboo remains standing is because it has dense, thick fibers. If we read in the text here, it says, this helps the plant to resist strong winds. Resisting strong winds and remaining standing is a paraphrase. They mean the same thing. But what does this mean? Well, the density of the fibers becomes gradually thicker from the inner to the outer surface. So it has dense, thick fibers. That is what allows it to remain standing. C would be incorrect, because if you read carefully here, it says the density of the fibers becomes gradually thicker from the inner to the outer surface. It doesn't say its outer core is strong, okay? It says it strengthens from the inner to the outer. Accessing lots of sunlight is incorrect, and it's lightweight and flexible, true, but that is not the reason why it remains standing. Cool, now you should go ahead and do some practice for yourself.